Hey, I'm Fish. I'm out here with two cameras today, an Insta360 Ace Pro 2 on the handlebars, just standing by, and the extra Atto. I'm not sure what happened yesterday, but it's every day. You ever go to a parking lot and move 5 miles per hour? I am wondering why Extra is holding off on the Muse 2. While the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is already out. Well, DJI got their permission to be here for 2029, only and only with the FCC updates for the drones. But yet, does that mean for the Pocket 4 and the Pocket 4P? And no, it don't stand for Pro. Either I can't stand the cold, or the winter's still here. And I'm dressed warm, but not in my winter clothing. I remember years ago we had a boat, and yes indeed, it snowed in May. It gave us like 6 inches of snow. I can't wait for the weatherman to bring that up on national TV. They won't. I'm choking on the diesel fuel because the wind is hitting me. This is the way it's going, and the boat's ready to go out. My EV setting was on -7. Now it's on -1.0. I don't know if it's me, but maybe it's just that, how are you supposed to see light lettering on light background? I don't get that part. I went out with the X5 by Insta360 and I used to follow me in every single shot. I didn't get the tracking to be on. I thought I hit the tracking on one, and I was like this, looking at the sky. Look at me, backup 360 was on. I was able to do what I needed to do, correct things and get my video going. It's me, it's the computer, it's all. Because when I put things on the computer, now I'm just going along editing. And also I got the little green spots. That's the CPU. Oh man, I'm just holding off. That's all I can say. The sun was just about coming up. It's got the color back there, but you're not going to see it. And you got the seagulls just feasting on the water. Oh, what a beautiful day it is. And it looks like rain. A fish. You wanted to take a photo. Why'd you hit the record button on the side? Well, I saw using the Ace Pro 2 on my way back, rather than just do piece parts and try to remember where everything goes. As I ride along, as I get down to the end, we'll have a little highlight talk. Well, I got this e-bike. It's sitting in the garage. I don't use it as often as I want. I ride the bike. Bike is exercise. It's great. You have fun getting to where you need to be at. But I haven't been on it lately. Just too cold. I'm waiting for that weather to change. And things change and I gotta get back on a little bit more than less. I really wanted to grab the Muse and, do the video, but I grabbed the Atto instead. I'm all over the road. I'm zigzagging in and out, hands-free, as you can see. At least I still can ride. I'm just all over the place. I'll set up over here. My spot's taken. Man, just chilly willy. EV value. It's got to be corrected, people. Put it on the negative side. Extra. DJI. Insta. Everybody beefs up the EV value. Even GoPro. The GoPro mission's coming out, man. I'm not getting it. All those rumors people put out there say, oh, it's got a minimum focus. of 60 cm. That means I'm going to be holding like this, and you're going to be over there just trying to get me in focus. Or did they meant right here, and you hold it right here, and anything over here is bokeh. I just love how we give information out there. Well, you know, we all do it. I do it. You do it. They do it. Them over there did it. You choose. I don't think I'm spending $700 just to get a free grip that this company came out, that, yeah, DJI came out, that you could use for the extra as well. You have to give Insta360 credit where it's due. They came out with an excellent camera. Probably one of the best cameras you should be using over other cameras. You see what I'm talking about? That you can see the EV value? And you see what I'm talking about? That you can't see the EV value, but nothing's perfect. I can hardly see the microphone level because the line is so thin. I wish they make a better line. Well, every start of the camera, I have a problem. I have a clipping. I see a little blank spot. So, life, baby, life. Nothing's perfect. Extra. Three. The Ace Pro 2. So all shooting with the Ace Pro 2. And yeah, I'm getting ready to get the hot out of here, go back on my trip, and do some editing. And I got to catch up on my work. My work is slow, baby. I dropped my EV value down to negative 0.7 because that's where I feel it should be at. I don't want to be super bright. That's bright night. Super night is DJI. This is pure video. Super bright's the fish. I start my Ace Pro 2 and I always format all my cameras before I start. But I didn't do the extra Atto today because I got yesterday's video still on there. And by the time I finish with this Ace Pro 2, come home, I got a problem. I got photos on there. And I'm making sure I don't hit the photo button that's right next to the shutter button that's on the screen. And I think that's the problem when I use this camera. When I have this screen flipped up, I hit the shutter button. So I'm not sure if the shutter button should be there or I could turn it on or off. I should have that option. This camera is shaking. I'm afraid I'm going to lose it on the bike because it's a modular camera. If I could have popped the cameras open, I would put a buzzer in the Atto and all the other cameras I got so I could feel it like the Ace Pro 2. That's what I like. I accidentally tapped the playback button and zoomed in on my video. Well, you're going to know that I shot the second half with the Ace Pro 2 because I'm leaving it on 2:35:1, 20:1 aspect ratio in post. And I may just leave the Atto as is in 16:9. I like 2:35:1. As we just allow the momentum to let me go. You get a nice smooth shot of the bay. Well, I like the look that I got right now. I like it where it's darker than brighter. And maybe you may like it or not. But my next video, maybe I'll brighten it up for you. This is not a bright day. It's a nasty day, and that's what I want to show you. Well, baby, it's Choke City right over here until I could get away from the downstream. Well, welcome to Cement City, baby. This is where everybody wants to be. Well, I am Fish. Now, welcome to the Insta360. Welcome to the Extra family. Welcome, baby. Cement City. Before I get going, I got this box that's like 12 inches. It's a solar lantern pole. Oh yeah, man. Not like the 110 VAC poles I got that's got lanterns on top that stand 7 feet tall. This one probably stands like 48 inches. We'll set it up and go have some fun. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I see you on the next one.